Only at night, when the ananguk shine bright, does the toy castle start its day. Only at night, when your oshkijigun are shut tight, do the wonders o' the Minhoganak start to play. Sound the chime, time to play. Apichiminogishigun away. All your friends spring to life. Ouija-waganak. Neen soldier.
Neen sailor.
Ballerina.
Shahunin clown.
Beautiful dancing. Nitanime. What mazy way. Papani me walk. Bring your friends on Baby Sean. Ouija-waganak. Fun and games. It's a magical toy castle day! Kawai den tawazitinene. Funny man. It was Gichi-miigwech cleaning day at the toy castle, and the ballerina had given everyone in Anokiwin a job and was making sure everyone did it well. The clown was Waitentagwase, being funny, always making people bape, laugh. The strongman noticed that everyone liked laughing at the clown. The strongman gi miso indam Gichi-miigwech. He wished they would laugh at him like they did the clown. Hoi, hoi, oh my. The strongman thought, hey, I could be Waitentagwase too. Gawin dashaweki papisi. But no one laughed. In fact, no one even noticed. They were bape, laughing, but not at him. Wogunishika gonja papi, what? Why didn't they laugh at me? The ballerina and the soldier went off to get more clean bagwanigan shan rags. That's when the strongman decided he'd ask the clown to teach him to be Waitentagwase. The clown thought he was joking. It was true. No one laughed at the strongman, but he was a helpful and kind strongman. He just didn't know how to be Waitentagwase. But more than anything else, the strongman onanto enemana wian chipapi gut wanted people to laugh at him just once. Gawina wea kipapisi. They thought he had hurt himself. He felt kagipatese silly, but not Waitentagwase funny. This will work to make them laugh. Gawina wea kipapisi minawa. They thought Ozit, his foot, was really stuck. And it was. How embarrassing. That's when the clown told them that the strongman was trying to be white den taguse. So would they please laugh at him? Ah, the strongman on antoene manche papi gut. Well, they can do that. Oh, papi awan, they were laughing at him. Miigwech apachu nishishin. Papi wak, more and more. But he wasn't doing anything funny now. This was getting to be annoying. Miminik, miwe, that's enough. Gawin awashime, no more. Otane nishken dane papikoat. He was getting tired of them laughing at him. He was the strongman, and he really liked being the strongman. Being white den taguse just wasn't him. They were glad to have their strongman back. They missed him being just him. The strongman realized he liked laughing at the gawai den taguzitinene far more than being the gawai den taguzitinene. Everyone took time out from Gichi-miigwech cleaning that day just to laugh. And from that day on, the strongman never again tried to be something he was not.